As you very well know, this organ is a very senior organ, only second to the General Meeting of Ohanese. The General Meeting's only responsibility is to elect officers. But this, and to change the Constitution, this body is the policy-making organ. I want to thank you for your patience in waiting for us. As you very well know, this kind of meeting takes quite a long time before you come to conclusions, because there is no appeal court from this meeting. The communique is as follows. Imobi Ohanese held an emergency meeting today, the 16th of September 2017, after an exhaustive deliberation on the state of the nation, particularly as it affects the southeast zone and other areas of Delta and Rivers states, resolved as follows. That the decision of the Nigerian Army to commence Operation Python Dance 2 in southeast at this point in time is regrettable and calls for immediate termination of the exercise. That military option is never a solution to problem of nation building. We refer, for instance, to the goings on in Spain, Scotland, and other parts of the world to reaffirm that only through dialogue can the national question be resolved. Consequently, we condemn all acts of violence in pursuance of freedom of expression. 2. Imobi notes with great concern the continued policy of marginalization of Southeast Nigeria as the basic cause of the renewed agitation by the separatist groups. 3. That the unfortunate loss of lives during the armed forces intervention is deplorable, and Imobi sympathizes with the bereaved family. 4. That it is the sole responsibility of the police in every democracy to maintain law and order and protection of lives and property of its citizens. 5. That the efforts of the governors of the Southeast National Assembly Caucus and Ohanese leadership to douse the tension in the Southeast zone are noted and commended, and Imobi urges them to continue in their efforts until normalcy is restored. 6. That a united Nigeria under a restructured federal system of government that guarantees justice, equity, and fairness is the best system for this country. Accordingly, Ohanese is mandated to organize a special summit soonest in Igbo nation in support of the restructuring agenda. 7. That Imobi supports all resolutions of the Southern Leaders Forum. 8. That Imobi resolved that IPOB is not a terrorist organization. There are processes under extant national and international laws, especially the Terrorism Prevention Act of 2011, as amended in 2015, to determine whether a group is or is not a terrorist organization. Finally, the resolution of the National Executives of Youth and Women Wings of Ohanese. Thank you for your kind attention.